What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. And of course, the reason why you guys clicked on this video, it is because you guys want to know what my favorite of 2017 is. And I can't believe we're already maybe 3 weeks into 2018, and I'm just like, damn, this year is already going by quickly. But I did want to show you guys what I loved in 2017, what I got as gifts, all of my favorites that I definitely would repurchase or that I have repurchased. And I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about each item and a little bit of review about the prices and all of what I think about it. But before we get into the video, let's address the elephant in the room. And no, I'm not talking about this little beautiful elephant that my friend got me. Isn't this gorgeous? So the elephant that I want to address is my new setup. So I noticed that you guys had a little bit of anger and upsetness and being bothered by this bookcase full of shoes that are not mine in my room. But you know what? I'm gonna poke some fun at it, and I'm gonna be shooting here until I feel like switching it up from now on. And I don't care, and I just love to have fun with things, you know. Let's not take things too seriously. And for all the people that are bothered, again, like I said before, you see that little red button and you see that little bell next to it? Make sure you guys hit that bell, because I know you guys are returning customers. You're coming back to me. You want to buy into me some more. So just come on, just purchase your receipt, click that little bell, and then let's just get on with it. The first item that I have to talk about are these babies right here. These are my Balenciaga sock dart race runners, or whatever you guys are gonna call them, sneakers. These cost $750. It took me a while first to find them because they were sold out everywhere, and then when I went to London, I did find them, and of course I saved a little bit of coin on that. But I did purchase them there, and I love this sneaker. Now, it took me a very long time to love this sneaker, but once I tried it on, that's my little hint for you guys. Just because you hate something, make sure you guys try it on to see if you like it, versus just like, oh, I just hate the aesthetic of it. But once I tried these on, oh my goodness, they were love at first try on. I love them. They are so comfortable. They are definitely the most comfortable sneaker that I ever tried on in my whole entire life, people. But if they do come out in different colors, I think that I might purchase it. Honestly, if they come in like a blue or like, you know, some sort of fun color, I definitely want to get me a pair. But the first pair, as always, I got all black one. There is a black one that comes with the sock and a white at the bottom, but I find myself having too many black and white sneakers, so I just definitely wanted an all black one. These are most comfortable ever. These are the taller ones that I got. But what my friend told me is that I can always, like, to get the aesthetic of the shorter version, is just roll it down and then boom, I got a shorter sneaker. So that's like 2 for 1. But definitely I had to come up on here and talk about these as my first favorite. So since we started with shoes, let's just finish off with shoes. And my next shoe favorite are these bad boys right here. These are the Saint Laurent Paris William military boot. Let me just hold one up. These are a latest cop, and I love these shoes. Oh my goodness, these are so damn comfortable. They do feature the little zip up the front and the little laces, if you guys can see it here, that you can unlace if you want to and wrap it around the whole shoe. The whole zipper comes down like this, and that is how you put them on. You just undo this and then you put your foot in. These definitely remind me of the Balmain, I think Timberland boots that came out, but I didn't really like those. I prefer these. This is like in a black calfskin leather that is shiny, which I really absolutely love. You guys have seen this. I've talked about them, but these are definitely my favorites. These cost 995 bucks, and I love these boots. So the next category that I want to talk about is clothing. And for me, clothing, the lessons I've learned with clothing is that you do not actually have to invest so much money in clothing. I feel like as long as you have like quality pieces and you have a tailor as your best friend, you can get away with anything. The 3 t-shirts that I have to talk about today are 3 of my favorite brands right now. The first one, as you guys already know, is an Acne t-shirt. You guys know I live for Acne. I love Acne. But the t-shirts are 100 bucks, and I find myself like, oh damn, after 3, that's like $300. That's like almost a pair of shoes, or almost a bag, or almost something that I'm like, I don't want to spend $300 on 3 t-shirts. Other type of t-shirt that I would get is still a little bit pricey, but definitely lower than the Acne one, and that is this one. This is a T by Alexander Wang t-shirt, and like I said, the quality is still amazing. Now, all of these t-shirts, the quality is amazing because that's what I look for. I don't want to look for something that I throw in a washer and then next you know it comes out misshaped or turned to shreds or shrunk or whatever craziness that happens in a washer, because I'm not dry cleaning no damn t-shirt. I'm just not dry cleaning any t-shirts because I have too many t-shirts to sit there and really dry clean. But this one costs $80, which is still pricey, but it is definitely not the $100 that I'm spending on the Acne. And last but not least, my other favorite t-shirt is this black one right here. The company is called COS, C-O-S. Like, this t-shirt is a combination of the Acne and the Alexander Wang combined together, and this one is only $45. It does have a little bit of stretch in it, which is perfect because again, when it goes into the wash, it won't come out all nasty and misshaped because it'll just snap back to the original shape that it is. So for t-shirts, definitely check out Acne, T by Alexander Wang, and COS. I do not like Zara t-shirts because they turn to shreds as soon as you put it in the washer, or just out of nowhere a hole comes through the t-shirt, which is just ridiculous, even though it is $17.90 and they were my favorite t-shirts back in the day. But you know, we're advancing, we're moving forward, and we're not even going to talk about H&M right now, so let's just move on. So the next item that I want to talk about is this. Of course, I wasn't going to do a video without Hermes, and this hands down for last year I did purchase a lot of Hermes items, like a lot, but this has to be my favorite one. So this is the Hermes Cellier scarf. It is $415. You can wear it in the summertime, in the wintertime, in the springtime, in the fall time. You can wear it, you know, anywhere you want to. I carry this to London with me. I carry this to Paris with me. I carry this everywhere with me, and I love this big ball of silk. So the next clothing article that I have to talk about are denim, and these are my favorite denims of all time. I wore them all throughout last year. I think that they are definitely a perfect investment piece when it comes to denim. They are from Saint Laurent, Paris. I didn't purchase these. My friend did get it for me for, I think, my birthday or Christmas, or I don't know why or when or whatever happened. It cost 490 bucks, but I love these pair of denims. Again, when I first got them, they did not fit my body at all. And again, like I said, nothing, like for me personally, denim does not fit my body. I have to go to the tailor, buy a bigger size, and then let them tailor it to fit my body. So since we're talking about Saint Laurent Paris, I want you guys to sound off down in the comment section down below. What do you guys think of Heidi Slimane going to Celine? Like, you know, it was just announced that he is the new creative director of the brand Celine. Now, I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'm definitely excited to see what he's bringing to the table because Celine is not known for men items at all. So I definitely want to see what type of men items he's gonna bring. Let me see if he's bringing it or not. But definitely let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of that down below. So of course I couldn't do a yearly favorites video without including a fragrance, and this decision was so no, it wasn't. Why am I lying? This decision was not hard because this was the only fragrance of 2017 that I finished. And I cannot believe I finished a fragrance because I have so many fragrances in my collection. So for me to finish a bottle, that must mean I really, 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 really love it. And it is by one of my favorite companies, and it is by Byredo. Now, you guys already know me. I love Hermes, and I love Byredo, and I love Balenciaga too. Well, I guess I love Alexander Wang. Well, I love a lot of things. But this is one of my favorite fragrance companies, and let's just look at it. And I haven't used this yet because I'm just like trying to cherish it. Felt like I was wasting it. Like I was like spraying like all of myself all over it to just like engulf this. This was like my signature scent. And this one, it is the Baudelaire. This is the perfect going out fragrance, going to work, going to school, going summertime, wintertime, day and night. That's why I think that I wore it so much. Notes period in this fragrance are juniper berry, which I love, black pepper, caraway, incense leather, and black amber with patchouli. And you guys already know I love all of those. The 100 milliliter costs $230, so I'm definitely not going to be spraying this like it's crazy. So the two lessons that I have for you guys when it comes to fragrance is go ahead and get a sample. Get a sample from Barney's or Nordstrom's or Neiman's or Macy's or wherever you're at, and bring the sample home and wear it. Wear it around the house, wear it to work, and make sure you guys really love it. Just because it is so cheap, I guess, in the grand scheme of things, because fragrances are on the lesser scale when it comes to buying luxury goods. Just make sure you love it before you invest in it. And the second rule is I like to say, once you have like a good, I guess a good 5 fragrances, that's really what you need. That's definitely 5. Then when one finishes, then you go ahead and purchase and try something else. Don't be like me. Don't be suckered into getting like probably like, I think like 60 fragrances I probably have right now, and then not wearing any of them, or wearing one and letting the other ones go bad. Like some of my fragrances have went so bad that I just use it as decoration now. Isn't that terrible? Just because I love the bottle. So since we're talking about scent, I definitely have to include a diptyque candle, and more specifically this one. This is the Beige diptyque candle. Now this one is one of my favorite ones. I usually burn these candles when I'm editing YouTube videos, or while I'm studying, or while I'm reading, or just like when I'm trying to meditate and just relax. Like these candles are definitely so peaceful. They do cost a pretty penny of 90 bucks, but for the grand scheme of things, it is an investment. Go ahead and try to find the nearest diptyque store near you and smell these candles. They smell so damn good. So that's just the candles that I love, but I definitely want to hear you guys sound off down in the comment section below. Like, what other candles do you guys love? What other candle companies do you guys love? Let me know. So as I'm showing you guys all of these items, it's bringing back so many memories of who I was with when I bought it, you know, where I bought it from, or who bought it for me, and it is just definitely making me think like, damn, 2017 was a good year, but I'm telling you, 2018 is about to even be better. So last but not least, what I want to talk about is small leather goods. Now for me, I don't really think I purchased any bags last year. Maybe I did, but it wasn't really about bags for me last year. It was mostly about small leather goods, and even though small leather goods can equal up to a bag, I wasn't sure which bag I wanted. And all the bags that I do want, I either have to wait for, I have to wait till it comes around, it's not made yet, or I'm just thinking about bags in my head that do not exist. So the first SLG that I want to talk about comes in this box right here, and if you guys can tell, it is a Goyard piece. This is how it looks on the inside with this little yellow felt, and I purchased the Goyard card case in the original colorway. This one is the tan with the black and tan canvas. Now for me, I love this item. I don't use it as much as I should, and it's only because I don't want to ruin it or stretch it out, but I love this card holder. I love this card case. Not a lot of people know about Goyard, so I really love that I can pull this out and people are like, oh hey, what is that? And I'm just like, oh, I don't know, just a little card case. And I love this thing. I do want to get it in a multitude of different colors, but again, I'm starting to learn, Nico, you do not need this one item in a bunch of different colors. Just be content with what you got. And I do have a lot of card cases, so I want to start using them before I start purchasing more and more card cases. It features 2 slots on the back, 2 slots on the front, and 1 major compartment in there that does feature some yellow lining. This costs $330. I know for the colors it probably costs like $380 or maybe like $410 or something like that. So the next leather good that I want to tell you guys about, it comes in this box right here, and a lot of you guys probably can already guess what it is. And you guys, it comes in like a little flap, and it is this Chanel wallet that you have here. So here it goes. Here's a little, it features this little quilting, and this is calfskin, and the calfskin does scratch, but not as easily that I thought that it would. And to me, I don't mind scratches. It just shows a little bit of like the edginess and a little bit about my story with this product. I can tell you exactly when I scratched this, and where I was, because you know I'm a dork like that. It features like 3 card slots going down the front. So this is a card case and a little zippered pouch for your money. You can have your money in there, your bills, your notes, and your coins. This one costs $650, and you see the little Chanel, it does have like a little bit of texture to it. It's not like the normal little CC that you have here. It features like an enamel with the little gold going down the center. So let me show you guys some, like, you know, close up detail shots. You see there is a little scratch right there, but again, I do not mind it. And here's how the back looks. And here is how the inside compartment thing looks with all the little paperwork that it came with. I just put it back in the original thing because I haven't used this in like maybe a couple of weeks now, but it is what it is. So those are all of my favorite items that I purchased in 2017, and those are just my favorites in life. Each item has a little special place in my heart. I'm gonna make sure to link as much as possible down in the description box down below. It's very hard for me telling you guys things on YouTube, and if you guys don't go out there and experience it, and don't be intimidated or afraid to go into these stores, to go ahead and feel and touch and try on and to look at. Remember, sales associates are there to help you, not to intimidate you. And if you feel like they are intimidating you, just go to the manager, go to the owner, go to someone more above them. But again, I digress. I hope you guys love this video. You know, I love sitting down here talking to you guys like as a one-on-one conversation, but that's all that I got for you beautiful people today. Peace. Have a good day. And always remember, live in your truth. Bye.